Hey, to install Google Camera on the CMF Phone 1, first of all, you will have to use the Google Play Store. So let's open it. Click on the search and input this phrase, GCAM app. We have to actually download this application from Gran Turismo, open it, and if you have any pop-up notifications, you will have to basically accept all of them. And as you can see, we get information that the Camera 2 API model is enabled on our device, which means that we can actually request for the GCAM, and I already did it, but for some reason it just disappeared, so I'm gonna click now. And as you can see, now the request was sent into the developer of this application, and if they are actually test this device, they will actually send back the version for this device. So it is nothing A015, and you will be able to actually click here and download. But if you don't have, if this request is not finished and they still didn't test this device, you can try into this bar, click here on the search and input nothing phrase. And I can recommend you to download this nothing A063 because the 036 from the top it's 8.5 version, but there below we got 8.6 from the Android 11, which means that this is actually a new version. And when the download will be finished, all you have to do is just to install this application, and then you will be able to find the Google Camera next to your stock camera application on the on the CMF phone. And that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe.